The secret to early reading isn't memorizing. It's sentence building. Kung beginner ang tinuturuan mo, dapat mong malaman ang reading trick na ito. Example. I see. I see a cat. Ulitin lang para sa retention. I have a ball. The dog is big. He has a book. The bag is red. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. Keep learning. Keep smiling. See you sa next video. Goodbye!